Okay, good evening. Now, I got some sketches to show you here. Now, I think I showed this one before, but I'll show it again because I got new sketches that I want to show you out of my sketchbook here. This one here is one of a floor plan that I got off the internet here. Now, I drew it by freehand. You can see the windows and you can see the doors here flipping. Now, I keep thinking this is a bedroom, but with a separate door in the middle here, I don't think so. Now I wanted to add some furniture and some beds to it. I just didn't know what to add. So this is a frame for building, the floor plan of a building here. That's the first sketch. Now the second sketch I want to show you is the floor plan of a bedroom. One of those bedrooms, you see here the desk over here, and the bed, and the dresser, the drawer, and the lamp over here. Lamp on this side over here. And door here, and a closet right there. So this is the second sketch that I'll show you. And finally, show you one floor plan of a house right over here. See that? There's the door. You got the dining room set. You got an island here and some chairs and a sink beside it. And you got your sofa and your television, flat TV screen, flat TV. Or should I say flat screen TV? That's it. Then you got a stove and a sink and some toaster and a microwave oven, a dishwasher and a refrigerator, and a door and a window. So this is the last floor plan I drew. And those are my sketches for today. I'll show you more in a future video.